As a major hurricane, Idalia not only threatens the lives of Floridians, but also the progress of Florida's property insurance market that was already in crisis.
Even though insurance experts say significant gains have been made since that special session to address skyrocketing premiums, experts say Hurricane Idalia could wreak havoc on the market.
Now, News4JAX anchor Tarek Miners here with what homeowners need to know. Tarek?
And the reality is it likely will wreak havoc on the market. Insurance experts saying it's very likely that a homeowner's insurance premiums could rise.
We are going to see portions of the Gulf Coast that will experience 8 to 12 foot of storm surge.
If the state's emergency management director's predictions are right, Floridians are poised to suffer another destructive blow from Hurricane Idalia, both on the coastline and in inland areas. It's the worst case scenario for property owners in Florida who run the real risk of seeing more increases in their property insurance premiums.
Any major loss event will have a negative impact on the Florida insurance market.
Insurance Information Institute spokesman Mark Friedlander says one of the biggest risks Idalia poses is to the state-backed property insurance company Citizens. Simply put, the company is carrying too much risk in the state of Florida, with more than 1.3 million policies currently compared to 486,000 policies at the end of July 2020. Freelander says the wind waves and life-threatening storm surge could result in insurance claims that may deplete Citizens' reserves, which would result in what's called a hurricane tax or surcharge to all Florida insurance policyholders.
It puts us closer to a hurricane tax, meaning all consumers would be on the hook to help replenish the funds of Citizens if we reach a certain point where reserves are depleted.
So what does a hurricane tax equate to for the average homeowner? It's a line item surcharge, anywhere from 15% to 45% added to your annual premium. If necessary, the charge would be added to both property and auto policies, and the tax would vary for Floridians with other property insurance carriers. Freelander says another risk Hurricane Idalia poses is to private insurance companies that may be considering writing policies in Florida. He says a hurricane forming in the Yucatan Peninsula this early in hurricane season could deter new carriers from opening up shop in the Sunshine State.
Some of those other organizations might put the brakes on their plans for Florida if they see significant loss activity. And we have to remember, this may be the first of multiple hurricanes striking Florida this year.
So insurance companies are no longer writing new policies. In fact, they put a moratorium in place until the threat is past. Kent, Joy?